These marketeers have started reconstructing their new makeshift stores after their old stores caught fire just 7 hours ago. These are some of the remains from some shops at Lumumba Market, which got fire around 01 hours. A number of assorted goods ranging from phone accessories, second-hand clothes and electrical cables have been destroyed in an inferno which is believed to have been caused by a short circuit due to unprofessional power connections within the market. This is not the first time some shops have been gutted at this market. More than 50 shops have been affected and millions of kwacha have been lost. Some affected marketeers explains the ordeal.
Connection ya malaiti pano siri mushe, it very poor. It very poor. Malaiti ya mafunika tis connection baipanga mushe. Mwaona hizi ndalama za taruza hapa ni ndalama za mbili maningi.
40 aswa kuma light abade bikama light ababikile bwino. So asapya shop ya ndi pefi and fiance fiapia and then ama neighbors. Once na kwa like worth 90 million 100 million abalefuma kudai salama wafikile mailo fiance fiapia.
Kabila hapa pali fura sana salahula sana pali wasalahula na mafuriji sana fima compressor fira mamoni efya chilenga efima saka sana fira mamoni kuma 01 yakosa no kukosa ligi so kuma 01 oro muri wachisaba sana wingi so bafa bofu bachisaisa batampo kushimyo muri na fabricate ya tatu.
An interesting discovery was made. The challenge of electricity connection still remains unresolved as they have called upon ZESCO to come and put proper connections.